Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and I am Akash here, and today we will see how to plot the integral surface of the given first order partial differential equation with initial data. So let's start our video without wasting the time. So we can see the solution here. I have already solved the problems here, and this video is similar just as the solution of the Cauchy problem. So let's start the video. So my first equation is x of ux, where ux is the derivative of u with respect to x, plus uy where yuy, where uy is the derivative of u with respect to y is equals to 2xy, and here my initial condition is given as u of x comma y is equals to 2, where y is equals to x square. So here my condition is given that when y is equals to x square, then my u is equals to 2. So let's see, first we will write the equation, that is into x into u of u of x, that is derivative. So we will write the capital D for the derivative. D bracket u of x comma y comma x represent the with respect to x, then plus y into D that denote the derivative, then u of xy with respect to y, then put the double equals to, okay, then write the 2 of x comma y, then shift plus enter, then you will get the equation first, okay, as a output. Then we will solve this equation by simply write the dsolve command, and when we write the dsolve command, so within the square bracket we will write the equation 1, which is stored already, then u of x comma y, which is the dependent variable of x comma y, then shift plus enter, then you will get the solution of the given equation. Then we will put the initial condition. Then how to put the initial condition, just I consider it at the solve one is equals to d solve. I have to put the initial condition in the above value, so I will write the d solve of equation 1. Then my initial condition is given as u of x comma y is equals to 2, where y is equals to x square. So my y value is x square, so I will write a u of x comma y, that is x square double equals to 2, which is already given. Then by separating the comma, u of x comma y, then comma x comma y, okay, then you can see the solution after putting the initial condition. Then we will simply plot the integral surface. How to plot? This is my two variable function, then I will use the plot 3D command. Then when you will write the plot 3D command, you have to plot the u of x comma y, which is stored in the solve1 value, okay. So then define the domain. So here I took the domain x varies from 1 to 5 and y varies from -2 to 2. You can also take any domain and see the change in the graph, okay. So this will be my graph. Oh, so I hope this example is clear to you. So let's see the second example. So my second question is u of yes, my second equation is u of x. So I will write d for the derivative u of x comma y with respect to x, plus x into capital D u of x comma y with it means that this is the derivative of u of x comma y with respect to y, then double equals to 0. So this will be my equation, which is stored in equation 2. You here I use the shortcut. So I have cut down the dsolve command, which I have already used the in equation first, okay. So I will simply write here the solve 2 and put the initial value also. So here I will use the dsolve command, then equation 2. Then here my initial condition is given as u of x comma y, okay, is equals to sine y, where x is equals to 0. So I will simply write here u of 0 comma y. Here my x is 0. So 0 comma y double equals to sine y, Then here is my u of x comma y. I want to find this value, which is the dependent variable of x comma y. Okay, so you will get the solution here. Now you will know the how to plot. This is the two variable functions. For this you will use the plot 3D command, and for the plot 3D command, just write the u of x comma y, u of x comma y. Okay, then backslash dot, which is already stored in sol2. Then define the domain x from -5 to 5 and y from -4 to 4. You can also take the any domain. So I hope now it's clear. So let's see the third example. uh, yes, this is your third example. Here you can see the equation is given as y into u of x, then plus x into u of y. It means the derivative of u with respect to y double equals to 2 of x comma y. ठीक है. Here my then I will solve the equation by simply write the dsolve command for the equation 3. Here initial condition is already given, u of 0 comma y is equals to e raised to power minus y square. Okay, so u of 0 comma y is equals to e raised to power minus y square. For to write the e raised to power minus y square, use the palette section. Otherwise, if you will just write the simply from the keyboard E, then it will not considered at as the exponential. So here you can see it is given the exponential. Okay, so use from here e raised to minus y square u of x comma y comma x comma y. Then you will get the equation of a solution. Then to plot the graph you will use the plot 3D command, then backslash dot solve 3. Backslash dot we are using here because we have already find the value of u of x comma y in the equation 3. So just write the domain that x varies from -1 to 1 and y varies from -1 to 1. So this is the solution. Okay, so you can see how much it is easy to use this Mathematica. Then we will see the example 4. The example 4 is a little bit difficult because when we write this it becomes quite difficult. Okay, I will show you how to write it. Then just write the u of x, that is derivative of u with respect to x, plus x, then u of x comma y. For this then double equals to, for this y minus half x square. For let me show how to write. Just use this palette section, that is this. Okay, yes, I removed this. Just go here, use this palette section, write the y minus, then go here and get the fraction palette, then 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Now x square, and then whole square. Okay, so you can see how to write from the using the palette, then shift plus enter, then see this will be your answer. Okay, now we will solve this equation by simply using the dsolve command. Then use the dsolve command equation 4, and here the initial condition is given as u of 0 comma y is equals to e raised power y. Then how to solve this equation? U of 0 comma y, just simply write here, then double equals to e raised power y. Exponential we will use from the palette section, which is already given here. Okay, pi के साथ में है. Then u of x comma y, which is the dependent variable of x comma y. Then you will get the solution of the given equation. To plot the graph of this, we will use the plot 3D command, and plot 3D command we use here because it is a two variable function of x comma y. Just simply write the u of x comma y backslash dot solve for, because we have already got the value of u of x comma y in the solution 4, which is already stored. Then define the domain x varies from -1 to 1 and y varies from -1 to 1. So you can see the graph here. So just write down these equations in your Mathematica and try to solve this equation. So our last example is Yes, fifth question. Just see this equation. This is different from the all above equation. Okay. So I will give you one question for the homework so that you can try the equation. So my question 5 is u into u of x. So here u is already a function of x comma y. It means it is a dependent function. So I will write the u of x comma y. Then u of x, that is derivative of u with respect to x, minus u, which is the dependent variable of x comma y, then d of u with respect to y, double equals to u square. You can write the u square like this, or you can also write u of x comma y whole square. The answer will be same here, but don't write u simply here. Okay, so then it will consider it as a independent variable, then x plus y ka whole square. Then to solve this equation, just write the dsolve command. Just write the dsolve command, and then after that equation 5, just right here, and here the initial condition is given as u of x comma 0 is equals to 1. Here teacher can also give you u of x comma y is equals to 1, where y is equals to 0. So the meaning would be same. Okay, so we will write here u of x comma 0, then double equals to 1, then u of x comma y bracket x comma y. It means we have to find the u of x comma y value, which is the dependent variable on the x comma y. So you will get the solution like this: u of x comma y under root this, and u of x comma y under root this. Now we have to plot the graph of the function. Here I am getting the two equations, okay, of u of x comma y. Then I will also get the graph is different. So for the graph I will use the plot 3D command. So just see how to plot this graph. Plot 3D command, u of x comma y, which is already stored in the value of solve file. So just write backslash dot solve 5 comma take the domain, that is x varies from -2 to 2. You can also choose another domain, don't worry, answer would be same. Okay, then take the y domain, that is -2 to 2. So this will be a graph of the equation. Okay, so simply I I'm writing here the equation 6, okay, which is for your homework. So this is the equation 6 which I am giving you as the homework. Try this by yourself, and if you are not able to find the solution, just write down in the comment section. So the equation is u of x, that is derivative of u with respect to x, plus x into derivative of u with respect to y is equals to u plus 1, where u is the dependent variable on x and y, and here the initial condition is given as u of x comma y is equals to x square, where y is equals to x square. Just write the equation, then use the dsolve command, that is equation 6 comma initial condition. How it can be written, that u of x comma x square is double equals to x square. Then you will get the solution of the above equation. To plot the function, just write the plot 3D within square bracket. Just write the u of x comma y, which I have already installed in the solve 6. Okay, so backslash dot solve 6, then define the domain according to yourself, and you will get your graph. Okay, so you can see how much it is easy to solve this equation. So guys, if you enjoy this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. And if you want any video on the topic, just write it down in my comment section. I will try to complete it as soon as possible. So thank you for watching.